Yes, boy, what we doing for the night, boy? It's my birthday, you know.
Skeg by like you can take a pull for the boy now, boy.
Apple? No, man, me never take that, boy.
By try the thing, buddy. Is that a action? So you don't know.
Ah, boy. Nalo ka ulit. Ang planting, boy. Gagawin ko ka otala. Wait, who them two by there? Gotta go eat them food. Well, they'll find change and thing here, so
Well, we got a bank, why not a tour of money, eh?
we could go and buy some. They buy it, me boy, they buy.
No, big. Don't concern me. Wait.
Paano na yung kuya me boy, they buy.
Take a chance.
Pass na.
Papi.
Pass na, me boy, they buy.
You get up. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look.
Pass na.
Push your body. Push your body. Push your body.
Pass na, me boy, they pass na. Pass na, me boy, they pass na. Let me on each chair. Pass na, I work hard for this same boy.
Push your body.
I work hard for this same big boy. Big boy.
Don't move. Don't
I
move.
work hard for me thing boy.
I said don't move.
Tama na yung boy, di ba? Don't tayo ako. Happy birthday na ako. Hindi naman. Happy birthday, buddy. Tama na yung boy, di ba? Happy birthday naman. Tama yung happy birthday. Happy birthday na. Tama. Happy birthday na. Boy, di ba? No. Happy birthday lang. Akat tikon ba? Akat tikon. Akat wait. There's a plant to me just get around it. Hey! Yes, it's my birthday today. And I celebrate that lunch called me my birthday. And for the younger fans that watching this video, please know that smoking is dangerous to your health and robbing is not good. And don't go and follow Landshark robbing nobody, cause the police will come for y'all.
Please like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video.
And please turn on your notification bell for more video, and y'all could leave your birthday greetings in the comment section. Thank you. See you on our next video.